Yohoi, it's First of Glitch. Welcome to Albion's Adventures.
Your eyesight's so much better than mine.
What is what?
Your eyesight is so much better than mine. I didn't even see it. I was still too distracted
Well, okay. You're also distracted too, so.
by the dead creature.
You wanna see if we click one of these guys and click your drum?
Click one of them, and then items. Where'd my drum go?
Your drum assumed courtesy to Earth. Yeah,
There we go.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, he's my friend now.
Let's see if this guy will call him too. Nope, this guy wasn't.
Are you okay?
Yeah, he's a bit.
Oh. Hey, wait, you're attacking me!
Oh yeah, some of them are good, some of them. Yeah, we need to get his target to be good.
Okay. It's not good.
This one's not good.
That is not fair. You should not be fighting my friend.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff up here, wow.
Alright, you are being...
Someone already attack us.
Oh, why?
No worries. Oh, nice. And you leveled up too. Did you get a
Yay.
new spell?
Oh, hey! Shapeshifting! As a druid, you can shapeshift into different forms with each unique abilities and their own resource. Your first form cat increases your melee damage.
Wow, you can transform already?
I think so! Oh, I'm at level 8. Okay, how do I do that?
Strength and honor.
How do I cat form?
Is there a skill in your little area where your abilities are?
Not one that I see.
If you look in your spell book too, spell book and abilities, you might be able to find.
Okay, spellbook. Sorry, I'm just doing this in the middle of our thing. Cat form, yes.
Oh, he's on our side. Nice.
Alrighty.
I keep hitting him with pain too. Did you find it or no? Oh, you got it! Yay! That's so.
Oops, it's yeah.
For
Yes.
ancestors.
That's so cool.
No, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. Am I supposed to like still? I guess I'm supposed to still be trying to get these guys to go good.
Yeah, you can do everything the same. You just transform so you can attack like that now too. Nice. Oh, we got all of them now. Did it say 6 out of 6 for you?
I think so, actually. Oh, so
he's
you're
on our side too.
okay.
I like almost killed.
Yeah, you're like, let me kill you. You're on our side.
Let's go in here. We won't attack any of them. Let's just see if we can find any treasure.
Oh, I want to see what I can do as a kitty cat.
I love how you still have horns because you're a.
Isn't that cool? I'm a horned
Yeah, that's
kitty.
Yeah, that's really cool. I like it. Yeah, I like when you do stuff, you're like your character paws at it, like a real kitty.
Oh my gosh, this is
Alright,
so
okay, so I
cool.
guess we're good here. We can go back.
I think my cat form is about to run out.
Oh no, I think it should be permanent until you got it.
I'm not sure. Probably.
Last time I have a druid 20 something, but that
Oh yeah.
Go in peace.
Alright, item. You try to push B for items. Alright. Where did my gloves go?
yeah, if you hit B, it should open your bag. things, yeah.
Alright, worn leather bracers? Is that it?
Yes, I think that's... Or, no, actually, you can put those on, though, if they're already on.
I put them on. Billy Club.
Oh, I see. I think you should be able to replace your, the Restless gloves. I think, or I just got some gloves, unless you got something else, because I have cloth armor. Maybe you have some other armor.
I don't think I got them, honestly. The only thing
did he give you any cloth reward or anything?
Not that I see.
Okay, then never mind, yeah. I guess he gave me a different one because I wear cloth and you... So... But, yeah, so... If we go... over here, I can sell your stuff. Let's go turn in that one quest and sell stuff. Brave iron hole. Like stone or something. Yeah, you're a kitty again.
Yeah.
Meow. Aww. Oh, I can do cuddle. Thanks. You'd be so huggable.
I meowed at you. Well, I didn't meow at you. No, I meowed at the wrong person. Meow!
Oh, I can type now. That's adorable.
Meow!
Like, oh, you're so cute. Snuggly, buggly, buggly. But, yeah,
That's
don't forget to
right.
sell your stuff, too.
Oh, I can sit!
Yeah, it's so cute. You can also lay down if you type lay. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Yay. You just sleep right here. my big sparkly hammer.
Hey, at least you know no one will bother you. Lies down before one a dark man.
Oh, hey, this is perfect.
You lied, Jeff.
There's a fire pit here. Let's go ahead and just make all the food that we have. If you go into cooking, you just hit create all on the eggs. And
Okay.
be a good idea. And also you can sell the stuff and just make a ton of money. Right? Just like that. Well, not a ton of money. Oh, also, these eggs will give you 1 stamina if you do well fed, which is pretty cool.
Oh, cool. I am taking forever because I'm cooking 25 charred meat, I think.
Oh man, yeah, I got like 30 something, so.
We're gonna be standing here a long time. That's awesome!
Yeah, it's a great way to get your skill up early on. It's just to kill like wolves and get eggs and stuff and just keep going.
Ah, I accidentally stopped cooking. No. I closed it because I wanted to see.
Yeah, actually, yeah, when you get cooking, once we start getting our cooking skill up high enough, we can go back to the cooking trainer and learn more, which is going to be this way.
Nice.
Wherever she went. Oh, there he is. He's right there.
They ran away from us.
Pyle Sunstrider behind me. He is cooking.
Oh, okay.
Already up to like 36, so that's cool.
There we go. I cooked lots and lots.
We had so much wolf meat from that run. It's crazy.
It was awesome.
And they sell for 5 copper each, so that should be good money.
Why can't I cook my eggs?
Should be able
Oh, there they are. I have the baked egg.
Here, spider kebabs and spiced wolf meat.
Doesn't that sound good?
Yeah, and also venison jerky, so we can get stag flanks and we can make those.
Nice. So I need to buy some recipes.
Let's see. Yeah, once you might notice they go from your skill gets high enough, and that there's a less of a chance of getting a skill point from it. So if it turns yellow, then you want to go see if you can get even better cooking recipes with the same ingredients. So
Okay.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and trade the spider kebab and the spiced wolf meat, and then the venison jerky. You don't have to buy those right away if you, but I'm going for the spiced wolf meat so I can make better cooked goods.
Yeah, I would love to be able to cook the lager.
Oh yeah, I think that comes a little later.
Yeah. But I'm like, what's the lager? Alright.
Nice, I think these spice wolf meat sales for even more. 10 copper, nice.
Oh man, I should have done my wolf meat that way then.
Yeah, no worries. I actually didn't know that you could do that. Oh crap, I forgot there's so. But make sure you sell this guy too. Or one of these guys. And also I think you can fix your stuff. I don't think you have to worry about any damage right now. I'm gonna sell my charred wolf meat. He should give you about a for a stack of 20, so that's really good.
And some of my leg meat too. And charred wolf
Yeah,
meat. And my herb baked eggs.
Yeah, well, you see these though too. Like later on, you don't have to better right now, but /P. I'm gonna do /P if I can do party chat. But these things actually.
Farewell.
These things actually, if you hover over them, you see how you read it. It says like if you eat it for 10 seconds, you get well fed, which gives you an extra stamina for 15 minutes.
Oh.
Later on, when you get really good at cooking, you get like an hour for like a ton of like 50 points of agility or 50 points of stamina or something like that. So like being a good cook is like kind of pays off later on because it gives you like combat bonuses.
Okay. That's cool.
Yeah, so I mean you can still sell them. That one stamina is not going to make much difference for us. And plus we need like money now, so definitely don't have to worry about that right now. So I just say go ahead and sell what you cooked, and you can get some good money for it.
I didn't get much money for it, sadly, but also.
Oh, you should get like at least a silver.
Yeah, I have 23 silver and 13. The other thing.
Nice.
Copper.
Oh, nice! I can put my ruined leather scraps together into light leather.
Careful.
Nice. That's
Oh,
awesome.
that's awesome. Yeah, I didn't know I could do that. Can I just do a bunch?
Ah, no, not for him. Not for him.
It's okay. Yay.
That worked.
So that's that noise I always hear all the time. Ka-dink. That's like me making like light leather.
Oh, cool.
Oh, I have so much light leather now. This is awesome. Cool. Alright. I think
Hey.
I don't think we need to trade anything new yet. Or wasn't. So you got about 15 more minutes if we keep moving. Did you sell all your junk to the gray stuff?
I was gonna keep my junk for you.
Oh, well you can't really trade me, remember?
No,
Oh, you were joking.
yeah.
You silly boy. Yeah, you should just sell those and then get some money and then.
I did. I have 23 silver and 13 copper.
Nice. Don't forget to keep the green tech stuff and the white tech stuff. You might be able to sell later, turn into something. So that's a good reason to keep that.
Okay.
All right. So let's go.
I'm chasing the dog. I'm sorry. Who's he?
Sure, the
How you
priests.
doing, man?
That's cool.
Seeing some druid, please
Roar
let
to
me be.
them.
Who you be?
Oh, we turn into quest right here too.
Oh, cool. I wonder if he'll recognize me now that I'm a kitty cat.
Peace, friend.
You want to read this, guys?
I've
Okay.
been expecting you.
Let's see. My fever grows worse, and I find my mind drifting into delirious nightmares. I should have known that I wouldn't be able to handle the beast my grandfather was unable to defeat. Do you have ingredients for the remedy? I fear if I do not clean the infection soon, it will be the death of me. Sure.
Yep. We gave him that femur.
Thank you. Using the items you brought me, I will be able to create a remedy I need to stop the spread of the infection and eventually cure it completely. I owe you my guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please press like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to keep seeing more content, please follow me on YouTube, as well as any of my social medias that you would like to. I have a Twitter, an Instagram, a Patreon, and a Snapchat. Most of those are just going to be some little updates, what I'm doing. Patreon, you can support me, help me make better content, save up for different games, different processing programs, different things, special little goodies for you. If you donate, you get your name in the credits. And also Snapchat, I'm not really going to be like chatting with people that much as giving you behind the scenes, little sneak peeks, fun things like that. Instagram will be polls, as well as Twitter. Be some polls of, hey guys, what do you want to see? Discuss with me what you guys want to see. Talk to me, contact me there. Just more connection with you guys. So please think about following me on any of these, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!